a very particular kind of listening that happens when we think we're hearing the voice or the music of God or our gods. And this is something that we're going to be helped with by David Toop, the composer and writer, who's thought about the whole idea of sound as uncanny. Because from our earliest human consciousness of what music might be, the association with sounds emanating from resonances of caves then, or cathedrals and concert halls now, has been associated with ghosts, with sounds coming from places and beings that we can't see. These echoes, these resonances, then as now, are presences of something we can't understand. And once we take that idea, you can connect it with repertoires of music that's been written to either invoke a presence of God or give us as human beings a sense of godliness. Lucy Winkett, who will also be part of this lecture, has written beautifully about this in a book that's called Our Sound is Our Wound. So this woundedness of the essential, possibly, probably, spirituality of musical experience, that's what we'll be delving into.